In today's video, we are going to learn how to scale mobile web testing using Playwright. Many teams still create separate test suites for desktop, Android, iPhone, tablet, Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. As the number of devices grow, maintaining all of these tests quickly become difficult and time-consuming. The good news is that Playwright allows us to write our test only once and execute it across multiple browsers and multiple mobile device configurations. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create your own custom mobile device descriptors, configure multiple mobile projects, execute responses tests across Chromium, WebKit, and Firefox, validate touch interactions, verify responses layouts, run everything with a single Playwright command. Before we start writing code, let's answer an important question. Why should QA engineers spend time testing mobile websites? Today, where over half of all web traffic comes from the mobile devices, users expected application to work correctly whether they were using Chrome on Android, Safari on iPhone, or Firefox on any platform. A layout that looks perfect on a desktop may completely break on the smaller screen. Common problems include button becoming too small to tap, navigation menu disappear, images overlapping text. This issue directly impact user experience and business revenue. Fortunately, Playwright provides powerful browser immunization that allow us to detect many of these problems automatically. What we are going to build: emulate different font size, support touch interactions, execute same tests on multiple browsers, generate reports automatically, scale easily by simply adding another device profile. Let's begin to create our own mobile device definitions. Playwright already includes many built-in devices, but sometimes your project requires test-specific viewport, device scale factor, or user agent. That's why custom device descriptors become useful. In this file, we'll define viewpoint size, screen size, device scale factor, touch support, user agent. Second, we'll configure multiple Playwright projects. We'll include Chromium Mobile, WebKit Mobile, Firefox Mobile, Chromium Large Phone. This is extremely scalable because add another phone usually needs add only a few lines of configuration. Now let's write our first test, responsive tests. This first test verifies that mobile navigation button is available. Next, we'll verify the viewport wisely to ensure we'll actually run inside mobile-sized browsers. Simple assessing like this help confirm the correct device configuration before the rest of the test executes. Then we write a test for the touch interaction testing, responses layout, validation, verify touch target size. Let's look at the code parts. So go to first the config file. So this is the config file. You can see here is a project install project Chromium mobile, WebKit mobile, and the Firefox mobile. Another one is a Chromium large phone. So this in the config file you can define the 4 projects. Then we go to see the test. So this is one of the test called the landscape layout. So this is a define viewport like this one, and the check you see here is the body may is available. So check this is available. Another test is called the response mobile testing. So this is go to the button. So menu button is available to be variable and also viewport side. And you see here, use the touch event, open or interaction the button. So it's available and can use the touch, click this button. Here is like the screw is show up. So this is have the screw width and in this page, and then you can see how the screw down and change the screen. And here another test touch target size, and you see the button and to be variable, and check the menu button bounding box, and you see here is create the event like expect the box once hit. Here is like compare mobile head. Let's run a test and a command in a terminal, so I can run a test. So you see 6 works, 18 test. Yeah, after run, I can open the report. So here is the list, the test. This is the test name, and this is like the different mobile browser. And here another test. So if you want, just can open and see detailed information. So this is the run test. You can command. Also, this is the run all the test. You can run different tests. Just put before the test have the spec and give the test name. You can run the different script. Thank you for watching. See you next time.